I'm Ronny from Achtung Camper, and today I'm going to show you how the Dometic awning works. Alright, so the awning stick is in the rear of your car. Little door here. Grab that. Very important, have the sliding door closed. Because the awning will pop out and will drop down a little bit, and it will, it's very close to smashing on your door. So, easy way is to open that door, insert the awning stick, and then you just start winding out. And then you have a look in here. There's these legs. These ones, you have to push them back a little bit out of the locking spot. So you just swing them out, hold on to it, that they don't fall against the car. Same with the other side, just push them to the outside. And then swing that one out. What you do then is you lift the leg up, and there's a little locking mechanism. I'll show you that again. So you just lift it up a little bit, and then that hook should come out a little bit and go past that locking mechanism. Let it go down, then you lift that sleeve up, the plastic sleeve, and then you can pull that up and push that one down, and that locks it in. If you want to move it, always hold on to the top. If you hold on to the bottom, the awning will fall on your head. So always hold on to the top, lift that lever up, and then you can move it up and down. So with that one, leave it at that height. Same on this, so lift that up first again, up that locking mechanism, and lift that sleeve up, lift that little lever down, and lock it in. Then, when you're on soil, you can put them out nicely, like that. But because we're in concrete here, it's really slippery. And you have to move them a couple times. So just leave it there. And then you keep winding it out. And move them again. Wind out until the canvas drops. There. And then go back a little bit with a little tension. And then you can straighten these ones up. Take them out. Just like fixing holes on the bottom. You can put a peg in each. Same with this one. Square it up. And then peg them out. If it's really windy, I usually get like, you can get from BCF or Ray's Outdoors or some shops like that, probably Anaconda as well. I get a guide rope, just put it around here. Like when you have like one loop, you can pull it through the loop and tie it down on the ground. Then when you set it up, make sure that side there is really high. So you lift that one as high as you can, which is there. So when you close that door, it clears it, so you don't scrape your door. And if it's not a nice sunny day, if it's raining, then you have to create a gutter. So you don't want to have this level. You want to have it on an angle so your water can run up from, say, this is always your highest point. So your water can run down. It will come out here. If there's no water coming down, it's raining, you have to drop this lower. Just go even exaggerated, because you do not want to create like a pool in here, because it will collapse. So yeah, just make sure that's nice and low then. But if it's nice and sunny, you can have them all on the same height. Alright, to put it back in, just reverse the steps. So make sure that it's nice and high. Open your door. Put the handle back in. And then wind back slowly. And move your leg legs. Back with it. Go up to here again, like 2 meters out. Then you lift the sleeve up, hold onto the top, pull the lever up, and drop that over it. Let go down slowly, and hook it into that mechanism. Push it in then, the little lever. We'll hook into that little spot there. And then swing the leg up. Make sure that the feet are flat on the bottom. Yep, so you want to have the leg, so the feet are flat on the surface. You don't want to have it facing you or something like that. You want to have it flat there, otherwise you won't be able to lock it in. So you can push that back then, it's spring loaded, and it locks back into that spot. Same on here, sleeve up, lever up, make sure you hold the top, that doesn't fall on your head. Let go down slowly, and then you lock it in again. Swing it up, make sure that one's down, the feet, and then you lock it in. And then you keep winding in until it locks in. Now, a little bit higher, so that when you lay, pull it down a little bit, and then put it all the way back. You usually walk to the back if it's locked in, just give it a little push, yep, locked in, and then you can remove this one. To remove that handle, you push it up and do a counterclockwise, and you can take it out. So do this again. So you put it in, do it anti-clockwise, clockwise, and then it hooks in, counterclockwise, and it comes out. Yep. Then you can close your door. That's it.